Welcome to yet another solar installation by Umeme City. Today we are at Machakos Medical Clinic in Machakos County. Hospitals have a critical function in society, and for them to be sustainable, they need to manage their cost of operations. One way to reduce the cost of operation is to employ cheaper sources of energy. And what better way than solar energy, which is in abundance and is freely given by the environment. Solar is indeed cheaper because it is not affected by the fuel prices, as we have seen in traditional sources of energy. It is not affected by fluctuations in forex. It is not affected by levies and adjustments. Solar is also reliable. The equator cuts across our country. This means we've got an abundant supply of solar energy across the year. This kind of reliability ensures that facilities such as this hospital is able to keep their refrigerators running, therefore securing the integrity of medicine, vaccines, and so on. This facility also has inpatient. It is important to have a backup power system that is not disruptive in terms of noise and so on. The installation we've set up here has battery backup. It has a power bank that allows them to keep running even after a power outage without the noises generated by traditional generators.
Jina naitwa Machakos Ketulo. Nilikuja hapa last Friday but one. Nilikuwa na shida ya mguu, kidonda. Kutoka siku nyingi nilikuja, siku moja tu stima ilienda, lakini hapa stima ikuenda. Na vile zilienda, sikusikia kelele ya generator, kulikuwa kumenyamaza. Na stima hapa ikuenda, lakini huku nje ilienda.
My name is Akendo Biambo. I'm a clinician here in Machakos Medical Clinic. We are very grateful for Umeme City since the installation of the solar system. It has been great. We have 24-hour power supply. Our machines are running okay. Actually, we are now not depending on KPLC. Instead, KPLC is a backup.
This is an inverter of 2000 VA operating on 24-volt system. In the setup, we've got a smart solar charge controller that is MPPT type. Beside it is a color control GX. This does the monitoring, and it also allows us to see the setup remotely from our comfort zone. And above here, we are also seeing battery monitor relay. It allows us to see the level of depth of discharge and state of charge of the battery.
Umeme City has been able to provide this solution to Machakos Medical Clinic without any capital expenditure on the facility's part. We have entered into a power leasing arrangement where Umeme City procures, installs, and maintains the system at its own cost and only sells cheaper power to Machakos Medical Clinic. The payments are made on a monthly basis at a lower rate than that of the national grid.
It has been reliable. The machines are working okay. The patients are okay. We are really grateful because it's a very good solar system and a very powerful one.
The power leasing arrangement is similar to our traditional way of purchasing power, except that this time the power is clean, it is cheaper, and it is more reliable. For more information on this product setup or how we can partner together to benefit from this solution, feel free to contact us and let us put solar on your roof.